What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Teflon, and you watching Teflon Go TV. So today, I just got this in the mail from Amazon. This is a tripod from Neewer. It's a portable, compact, mini macro tripod with 360-degree ball head. And you can place DSLR cameras, camcorders, up to 5 kilograms. This is actually, I bought the red color right here, and the reason I bought this is because actually the camera that I'm recording this on is a big tripod, and I wanted a small tripod so I can like record like certain ways, because I can't put this big tripod on the table. The leg spreads too wide open. And I just came across this. I didn't even know they really had a mini tripod. I was wondering how that would work. And this right here, they have many different kinds. They have plastic, but this apparently it comes. This is aluminum right here, and it has a little weight on it. Supposedly it comes with a carry bag. So this will be an unboxing. I don't know if I'm actually gonna try to test it out with the camera, because I'm using the camera. So yeah, let's just get this thing cracking right here. Let's open this right up. Let's see if the carry bag is in. Okay, here's the bag. Okay. This is nice, man. Like a tripod that you can hold in your hand. Like, let's see how this looks. I seen the picture. Okay, it's nice. Yeah, cause I want to put my big tripod. I can't put on this table that you're seeing in front of me, and there's certain angles that I want to catch. If I'm like doing whatever, if I'm recording, doing online streaming, or this will come in handy. So here it goes. It comes with instructions. I'm pretty sure, a manual. Pretty sure there's some important things in here that will probably tell you what to do or not to do. Okay, it comes with a key right here. Okay, let's put this to the side. This off to the side. So again, this is by, the name of the company is Neewer. They sell a lot of things on Amazon, a lot of different type of things. Wow. Mini tripod. It has a nice weight to it. And the thing I like about this, right, it comes with the level. Maybe the light is too bright, you can't really see, but you know how usually, I'm gonna tell you right now, me try to adjust the ball head. Okay, usually like the tripod I have now, the leveler, like this green part right here, see if I could probably, yeah, there it goes. You see, it's supposed to level. When it hit the middle, that means it's level. When the little the liquid bubble is out of place, I mean it's not level. So right now you can adjust it to be level. So this one is right here. Usually it usually sticks out right here. The one tripod I have it comes right here, but you can't really see it. Like right now, it's kind of difficult to see where is that, because the tripod I have, it has this and another part that's sticking out like this, and that's where the level or the green part is. I'm probably not saying the right word, but yeah, it's usually like right here. With this one, you can see it from, you could probably squat down and look. So I like the placement of this this right here. I think most tripods should have it at least right here. I think, to me personally, I think it's a better placement. All right, let me get this back in focus. Okay, so nice little tripod, mini tripod. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is first. Let me get it how it is regular. Let me sit on a table. Okay, this is supposed to be tighter, because it's loosened right now. There should be a way to, because this is moving. So there should be a way to tighten this. So hopefully I'll figure it out, because it seems kind of loose right here. Okay, I'm going, okay, I think this way. Maybe I tighten it this way. Now it's tightened. For some reason, it was kind of like, it wasn't screwed all the way. That's kind of weird. Yeah, you see, right, it's not supposed to move. Maybe there's a way you can, so this is how the bottom is. Maybe there's a way it can, or maybe it's this right here. Let me try this button. Okay, so it was this right here, because this was too, I don't know why I was doing that. See, my tripod is different, the big tripod. Okay, so now it's still. So, of course, this is the, I guess if you want to tighten it, you can move it. You see, I'm tightening it a little bit, now it's moving. So now it's tight. And, of course, you got the ball head. It looks pretty tight. So I wonder how I was going to carry mine, but I could already tell, like, this can't hold my camera that I have, my big camera. So, alright, so let's see the height, because I'm pretty sure anybody who's interested in buying a mini tripod want to see how high it goes. Well, first, let me give you the angle right here. Okay, so this is how it is, this size. Okay, this is how it is standing up. You can see. Okay. So it has different levels. I guess this will be one level right here. There's 3 levels. So let's go to the maximum level. Height, I should say. Go to the maximum height. Okay, I think you gotta tighten it somehow. Okay, you tighten it from the bottom. Right here. See, now it's out of the camera view. You can't even see it now. So let me give you a demonstration of it laying down. I place my hand. You see, this is my hand. It's out of focus right here. Let me get it sharpened. Okay. So as you can see, this is my hand right here. So yeah, you could get, I'm just trying to give you a reference or like a measurement to see how tall it is. So yeah, I mean, this is exactly what I needed. I think this right here can get the job done. Some things are kind of like finicky, you know. It doesn't feel like my tripod. I think my tripod, the one I'm using right now, might be metal. I'm not too sure if it's aluminum, but if it is, it doesn't feel, it has a different feel. And my tripod that I have costs way more than this. This right here cost me maybe about $59, maybe. Yeah, maybe about 59 bucks. You know, of course, with tax, obviously. But yeah, I like the fact that it come with a bag, a carry bag, you know. But this should be strong enough, because my other oh yeah, it also can lay flat as well. Okay, so like you see, I could pull this out. There we go. So I guess this is what you do here. Okay, this is a bit different from the big tripod, more easier. Okay, if you want to lay your tripod down, let me unscrew this a little bit. How do I? Yeah. So lift this up. This is my first, obviously, I'm learning as I'm showing you guys. So I guess you would maybe, guess there's a way that this high, of course I gotta figure it out. But yeah, so this would be flat, and it can go flat right here. Can go even flatter, you know. And this is a good mini tripod to bring outside. You know, that's why it has a carry. It comes with a carry bag. A good tripod to bring outside. So yeah, man, there you guys go. So you got the buttons right here. You see it can go lower. Of course, I gotta like play around with it a little bit to, you know, figure this part out. 'Cause I'm pretty sure this part could go down. But yeah, for the most part, it has a good weight on it. It's something I would be careful about, because I think there's more expensive mini tripods. This is not even the most expensive. You know, there's mini tripods I've seen that was like 100, 150. So with bigger, like more popular company names, you know, or brand names. So it feels sturdy. It feels good, but I would still be careful with it. But it does feel strong. It does feel good, you know. It doesn't really feel cheap, but it doesn't feel expensive at the same time. But it doesn't feel cheap. But me, I never really break my things. If something would happen, it would be definitely this, because I rarely break things. I don't know what this is right here, but just if you're careful with it, it should be last long. I've seen some good reviews, you know, and you know, people show pictures and stuff, so it should be good. I can't wait to use it and test it out. So yeah, this is the mini tripod right here, different levels, and I will be using it on and recording, filming myself with this from now on. And I could sit this on the table with no problem. My other tripod, I can't do this. The tripod I'm using right now. So this right here is much easier. You can move around, more flexible. You can probably even put it in your pocket, you know. So all right, and you also have this part right here where the camera or the your phone that you can screw right here. Of course, like any tripod, this doesn't feel like the, of course my tripod that I'm using right now has this as well. It doesn't feel the same one. The tripod I have feels much, it's heavier, it's much stronger, but this has a good feel as well. But again, my tripod costs more money than this one, but of course this is a mini tripod, so yeah, but it has a good feel. So yeah, this is the part where you would screw on your camera. I would like screw my camera right here to this screw, and then once it's attached, I will screw it for it to get tightened, and then you slide right here, just like any other tripod this type of tripod. So just wanted to show you guys, there it goes, and you tighten it right here, and then you see, as you can see, it can't move, you know. Once you go like this, the camera could go sideways, you know. So yeah, there it goes. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment. If you have any questions, you know, I'll, you know, just leave it in the comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, man, it's your boy Teflon Goat, and you just watch Teflon Goat TV on YouTube. You know, hit that post notification so whenever I post, you'll see that post, because I will be coming back with more unboxing for you guys and for, you know, everybody who likes to shop online and stuff like that, and who can't go to the stores and actually see the product physically, and all they have is the pictures for reference, but they want to actually see somebody that actually have it and review it. So thank you guys. See you guys later. 1.